Hello guys, and welcome back to Cooking with Sadaf. I'm Sadaf, and today we are going to make a really interesting recipe. A pancake with only 3 ingredients. Well, it's true. This pancake has a secret ingredient, which is not secret, pretty obvious, banana. And is super healthy too. So let's make it. First, grab your banana, peel it, and it should be a ripe banana. It is very important to use a pretty ripe banana because it has more sweetness and it's softer. Add your banana to your bowl and then mash it with a potato masher, or if you have a very ripe banana, you can just use a fork. My banana is not that ripe, so I'm just using a masher. Mash your potato until it's pretty liquidy, something like this. Then after that, let me remove my masher from here. Add your 1 egg. By the way, are you one of those people that add oil to their pancakes or not? Because I have seen that a lot of people, especially Americans, add a lot of oil to their pancakes, but I really don't like that, and I like a more, how can I say, drier type of pancakes. For me, it's a very healthy breakfast, so I don't want to ruin it with oil. So, do you like your pancakes pretty oily or dry? Well, let me know in the comments down below and tell me what is your favorite pancake topping. Mine is definitely cheese and walnuts. I like my pancakes savory, it's weird, but they're really delicious. Try them, and if you try your pancakes this way, make sure that it's not too sweet. Then add your vanilla extract. Vanilla extract, once again, it's optional. You can add it or you can omit it. And as I said, this is a 3 ingredients pancake. If you are using a really ripe and sweet banana, you really don't need any sweetener. But if your bananas are not sweet, then you can add about 1 tablespoon of sugar. I do recommend it, but because I know my banana is more on the sour side, I'm adding it. And don't come out in the comments and say, well, you said it's 3 ingredients, now you're adding more. Well, I'm just telling you that if you are going to make this recipe and you see that, oh my god, it's not that sweet, then you have the option to add it. I mean, everybody has sugar in their house, right? Also, you can add maple syrup or other things. Then for the next ingredient, which is the 3rd and last ingredient, and this is somehow a magic ingredient too, we are going to use self-raising flour. Add it little by little and sift it. If you don't have self-raising flour and you have plain flour, well, you can make your own self-raising flour in home, just using 1 tablespoon of baking powder for each cup of flour. Mix it very well, and that's it, your self-raising flour. And I know it's kind of cheating because self-raising flour has 2 ingredients inside it. It has baking powder, but it's fine. Some self-raising flours have also salt in them, but if yours doesn't have salt, well, you can add salt into your batter too. Salt always balances the flavor and gets the sweetness out of your pancake batter. Mix it very well. At this step, you can add lots of fillings, for example, chocolate chips, or you can add raisins, walnuts, even blueberries. After it's pretty mixed and it should be stretchy like this, your batter is ready. Well, I have preheated my skillet. Always use a skillet or Teflon for your pancakes because it's the best. It's non-stick and you don't need even a single drop of oil. My skillet is like my best friend. I use it for everything. And for our batter, I'm going to scoop it here, and I have a second camera here for you so you can see it very well. Drop about a tablespoon or more depending on the size of your pancakes. I am making them pretty dainty in bite size because I like my pancake small and a lot, not big and just a couple. And then we wait for them to just bubble up a little so we know that they are baking. And your best friend for making pancake is just 2 spoons. Some people prefer spatulas, but I think a spoon is your handy dandy best friend because it's be easier to work with for me. What do you like? Do you like spatulas or spoons, or even nothing? You just flip them with something else. Let me know. And by the way, if you watched until now, don't forget to smash that like button so that this video will reach more people and we will make the family bigger by you subscribing to the channel. I'm going to really appreciate it because I have a lot of plans and some really fun videos are going to come. After you have seen that they are a little bubbly, try to see if they are lifting up. If not, just give them a couple more seconds. And also, if you like pancakes, don't forget to check my pancake recipe, which is super easy. It's a simple pancake. I will link it here and in the caption below. And I have some amazing French crepe recipe. It's the original recipe, melts in your mouth crepes. I have them here, and don't forget to check that the link is in the description below too. So you can see that my pancakes are pretty bubbly. I'm going to try to flip them. If you're using a skillet, you can see that there is no effort while flipping them. Just give them a little help. And there we go. They are so fluffy too. I mean, look at them. Oops. Oh my god, you shouldn't meet with each other here. I love these pancakes. They are great for breakfast, and sometimes I have them in a little container with me when I'm going out because they're a healthy snack, and I'm not the kind of person that likes to eat the snacks and buy them from shops. I always rather to make my own snacks because living healthy. The other side, it doesn't need a lot of time, just until it's pretty much done, like the same side, it's okay. You can also feel it to see if it's soft in the middle or not. Well, these are done now, and I'm going to place them in a plate and then repeating for the rest of my batter. By the way, one of the other reasons that I like to make small pancakes is because it's more efficient for me. I can make lots of pancakes in one big pan and have them pretty quick. Because if I wanted to make my pancakes big, I would have to wait for each pancake to make another one, and it will be gone in like seconds. But this way I have pancakes for a longer time. Well, our pancakes are ready. They were made with only 3 ingredients, which was amazing of how delicious they are. They are super fluffy. I mean, look at them. They are just like a piece of cloud. And they are so delicious and healthy. They are full of healthy ingredients. They have bananas, eggs, and flour. They are high in potassium and good for breakfast to go. Well, I hope you enjoyed this recipe and give these pancakes a try. If so, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel to see more delicious videos coming up, and smash the like button so that more people can see this recipe. And just tell me what other things do you like me to make, what other recipes, what other type of videos, and are you enjoying this style of videos, because I really am enjoying it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out the pancake and crepes video here and here, and also I will see you later.